Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop. Ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought.
I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that like I've been doing since I've been in here.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation, I can tell you that much.
Is there any way I could get treatment?
Man, you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
I think I need treatment.
Man, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself.
All right, folks. Today's case is a masterclass in denial. We've got a young woman standing before the court, caught up in drug charges, trying to convince the judge she doesn't need treatment. Yep, you heard that right. After multiple probation violations, missed appearances, and failed conditions. She's sitting in front of the judge, insisting she's found herself and drinks a lot of water now. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. The hearing starts with the judge asking her a simple question. Ma'am, why did you ask for treatment?
He threatened you or coerced you in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right, counsel, you can please party your client.
Yes, I'd like to direct your attention to June 15th, 2023 and June 22nd, 2003. Did you fail to appear for a probationary instruction?
Yes.
And additionally, while on probation, you did accrue a new charge, correct?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied the plea is knowing, voluntary, factually accurate. The court will accept your plea to the probation violations. Enter a plea of guilty based upon your, enter a probation violation based upon your plea of guilty, and that'll be technical violations 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And counsel?
Your Honor, I saw the recommendation for 60 days jail. I asked that my client get credit for the time that she's been in since December 1st. I'd ask that it run concurrent with the admonishment that she's received from the charge that she just took a plea on. And then furthermore, she did ask that during this time in custody, if possible, she would like the opportunity to be tethered to treatment. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Ms. Bolchak, did you request to be tethered to treatment while you've been on bond?
Yes, just to try to have time. I mean, I don't think I personally need treatment, but I know that was something that I asked for when I first got arrested. So I'll do the days. I'll do whatever it takes, but I really just want to get home.
Okay, ma'am, let me ask you a couple questions. Number one, if you don't think you need treatment, why did you ask to go to treatment?
I was trying to have like the days made up. I don't know if I don't really know. Because
ma'am, you asked for treatment, so why did you ask for treatment?
Jail.
I'm sorry?
To not have jail time.
Oh, that's what I thought. Okay, so, and you don't think you need treatment? Given what's been going on with you the last year, you don't think you need treatment?
Honestly, no. I really found myself in here. I've been spending time with myself. I don't know. I don't feel like I need a guy or anything. I don't know. I just want to get going on life.
Well, man, the way you've been going on life, not a great start. How old are you?
25.
25. And now you have 3 drug-related convictions. 3. Your under advisement status is revoked. You had an opportunity to not have your possession charge on your record, and you didn't do a darn thing with probation. Not at all. You just ghosted us.
And this woman, without missing a beat, says, to avoid jail time. That's it. No talk of recovery, no remorse, just a flat-out confession that she only wanted treatment to dodge a sentence. And the judge's face says it all. She's heard this song and dance 100 times before. Now the judge starts breaking it down. This woman's only 25 years old, but already has 3 drug-related convictions. She's been given every chance: probation, treatment, even a chance to keep a possession charge off her record, and she threw it all away. She ghosted probation, ignored court orders, and basically vanished until the warrants started piling up, and yet here she stands, acting like she's turned her life around because she's been spending time with herself and drinking water. At this point, you can feel the judge's patience slipping away, because here's the truth. Probation isn't a free pass. It's a legal agreement. It means you stay clean, follow the rules, and do the work. But
I know, if I get probation this time, I told myself, like, you know, it would be at least 6 months. That's all I would really need to get like clean, and you know, by summertime I'd be, you know, working. I really want to get a car. But aside from the job thing, just, you know, I want to draw and make music, and I don't know, I just want to do things for myself. And I like coffee again. I don't know, just things I've been drinking a lot of water. There's just a lot of things I wasn't doing before that, like, I've been doing since I've been in here.
Oh yeah, she's been drinking water. Let her back out on the streets. She's definitely ready to change her life now.
So I haven't been.
Ma'am, part of the concern, right, is when you get out, how are you going to continue to do stuff? Right? That's part of what treatment is, and you don't think you need treatment. So
I've been to treatment 7 times. I've been to treatment like 7 times. I don't know. I know how to work the program. I know to go to a meeting when I need to. I know there's just different times. I know.
So you go through the motion. You go through the motions. So you just go through the motions. You don't really receive what it is that you're getting.
I really think I've learned a different way. I've been incarcerated this time, ma'am. I don't know. It's just, it feels different. It feels really different. I'm willing to go through any probation that you need me to, but, you know,
Judge, we're ready to hear the sentencing. We are ready to proceed, Judge.
Yes, no, man, you're not getting probation. I can tell you that much. The court's going to, on 23405, the court's going to adopt the recommendation, revoke probation, close the case without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. On 23739, the court's going to adopt the recommendation. Your under advisement status is revoked, your probation is revoked, $50 probation violation fee, 60 days jail. The court will know that will be served concurrent. And then the court's going to also order on 232479, the court's going to order 93 days jail. Credit for your 15 days. That's consecutive with 23739 and 23405. And the court will suspend your fines and costs on this matter.
what?
Any questions, counsel?
No, Your Honor.
Any questions, ma'am?
So, how many days?
Well, 60 on your probation violations plus 93 plus 15. So that's going to be, I can tell you exactly what that is, ma'am.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
138 days.
Is there any way I could do treatment?
And you told this court you don't need treatment.
Okay,
No, you told this court the only reason you said that is because you didn't want to do the jail time.
no, that's
So
not,
you can do the jail time.
ma'am, I'll do treatment.
And quite frankly, ma'am, with your lengthy warrant status and you're absconding from probation, I'm not sure that you would not abscond from your treatment provider.
Instead, she treated it like a suggestion, and as the judge listens, it becomes clear this isn't just about addiction anymore. It's about accountability, and the judge? She's about to remind this young woman what accountability really looks like. By this point, the tension in the courtroom is heavy. The defendant's trying to backtrack now, begging for treatment after saying she didn't need it. But the judge doesn't flinch. She calmly reminds her, "Ma'am, you were very clear. You don't want treatment. You said that yourself." And suddenly the tone changes. The same woman who bragged about not needing help is now pleading, saying she can't handle jail time. She's desperate, stumbling over her words, and you can tell she's realizing just how badly she messed this up. But at this stage, there's no saving face. The judge's decision is final: 138 days in jail. The judge lays...
Ma'am, I can't do 130 days.
Yeah, you said you didn't need treatment.
I do.
The problem was, when I went to sheriff, I got the people over.
I need help with housing when I get out of here. I'm gonna need.
I'm sorry?
I need help with housing when I leave here. You know, I have my.
Okay, I need that talking in the background to please stop.
Somebody in.
My court recorders indicated our record is a mess because of all the talking in the background. And what was that, Ms. Bolchak?
Hey, I really don't. I think I need treatment instead.
Ma'am, you were very clear. You've been to treatment 7 times and you don't need treatment anymore.
No, I do.
You know how to work the program.
No, I got a little ahead of myself. That's what I asked for when I first came in. Because I do have a drug.
Judge, potentially, Judge, I know that potentially she might be asking for some sort of mental health treatment, but I understand this docket does need to be moved along. So if necessary, we have to have the matter recalled later in the morning to potentially have it reevaluated. But I understand the docket does need to move along, Your Honor. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Ms. Bolchak, I'm not ordering treatment for you at this point because you stated that you don't need treatment and you only asked for it so that you didn't have to do jail time. Given that and the fact that you had absconded from probation with this court, the court is concerned that you're not going to abscond from treatment. So at this point, 138 days is what you're going to serve me.
It out clearly. You've been to treatment 7 times. You said you don't need it. And given your record of abandoning probation, the court has no confidence you'd stick with any program. Boom. That's it. Judgment delivered, and honestly, I can't blame the judge one bit. Probation is supposed to be a second chance, not a loophole. This woman was handed opportunity after opportunity, and she blew every one of them. Now she wants sympathy when reality hits? That's not how accountability works. Sometimes a few months behind bars is the only thing that forces reflection. Not lectures, not programs, not sympathy. Just time. Time to sit, think, and face the truth. So what do you guys think? Was the sentence fair? Should she have gotten another shot at treatment? Or did the judge finally do what needed to be done? Let me know your take in the comments. And if you want to see more real, raw moments from inside America's courtrooms, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Because this is what real justice looks like when patience runs out.